you can save yourself. So let's see. One.
Namaste.
So now I'm going to attack on his stomach. So you need to defend yourself. Ready? Now I'm going to use my full power. Ready? Come. So this is how we block the lower attack. So first thing we need to learn is power practice. That what is the power practice for this move? So let's see. First open your leg equal to the shoulder weight. Keep your hands like this. Your all the fingers will be stick together. Keep them here and now breathe in. Breathe in. Now with the opposite hand, breathe in. So this is the power practice. You need to do it minimum 100 or 200 times. So what we are doing is you need to remember 2 to 3 things while doing power practice. First thing, your hand will be stiff, strong. Okay. So that no one can move it, right? It should be very strong and powerful and stiff. Lock, right? Second thing is your fingers will be stick together, your thumb also. And third thing, because we are going to use this bone to, blocking. So what we are doing, that this hand will not be horizontal and not be vertical. While doing power practice, it is going to be on 45-degree angle, not vertical, not horizontal. It is going to be on 45-degree of angle. Reason, like I am using this bone to forcefully lowering anything, right? So this is it. And one more thing is you need to block and return. Your hand should be again on the plus. Block and return. Block and you need to keep the make the eye contact. And if someone is going to coming forward, so you need to go backward. So let's see it practically. Are you ready? What we are doing, we are like using this bone. Let's do it slowly. So what she is doing, she is using this bone, this part, okay, this part of the hand to save herself for blocking. She is using this part, and this is the bone, the knuckle in your palm which you are using. So this whole part you can use to block the punch, and you need to block on this part. Okay, punch me. Okay. So we block on this part. Like we cannot block here, not. We are going to blocking from this knuckle on this part, minimum on this part, okay. And we will try to keep distance. At a distance, we are blocking this, okay. So this is the power practice. Go back to breathe in. So this is the power practice. Your hand should be strong. Use this bone to save yourself. Make eye contact. Go back side. So for that you need to learn back footwork. So I have already told you what is the back footwork. So you can see my first video in the playlist, how to save yourself. You can see the part 1. In this I have already told you the back footwork. Okay. So what is the main important thing in a fight? Is that first thing is defense and second thing is attack. So first we are learning to save ourselves, because our first priority is to save ourselves. Suppose if you are in a situation where we need to save ourselves, so how we can. So first we learn how we can save. So in my starting video you will see that is the reason why I'm making this video. So that is the only